Hey guys, this is a Canon MG6821 printer that I want to show you how to remove a print head on. So we're just going to make sure the printer is on, and we're going to open the front cover and let the carriage unit slide to the middle of the printer. After that's there, we're going to remove the ink cartridges. And then we're just going to pull this lever forward and move it slightly to the right. You can also unplug the printer so this carriage moves freely. So I'm just going to unplug it right there. Now the carriage can move back and forth if we close this. Then we're going to pull it forward. It has to be right there in between those two. And then this is our print head right there. So we're just going to, here, let me, so you can see it. I'm going to grab it by this middle partition right here. I'm going to pull it forward and out. Just like that. So later when you want to put it back in, you can either do it the same way or turn the printer back on again. And then when it asks you for the print head, you're just going to slightly move this to the right and pull this out. And make sure it goes into these slots right here. So like this here. We're just gonna keep it on its side. And do not force anything. It should just fall in there. And you know it's in place. If it's in that position there, we're gonna slide this back. And I would just turn the printer back on. And I would wait for the printer to tell me to put the cartridges back in. So now the printer is telling me to put the ink cartridges back into the printer. That they cannot be recognized, so we're gonna feed the printer with some ink. These are the aftermarket ink cartridges that work just fine for my printers. So all of them light up, all of them show ink levels, and actually they're clear, so you can see how much ink is in them visibly. So that's a cool thing. After a few seconds, it gives me the message that the printer was unplugged without turning it off. So our printer is all ready to go now. If you need to still do the nozzle check after you maybe cleaned the print head or replaced one, you just go to Setup, Maintenance, Nozzle Check, yes, and that'll print out a nozzle check pattern page with the page count on it. And that's what that page looks like. In our case, it is at 100%. If yours doesn't look like this after you put in a new print head, then definitely that's a problem with the print head, with the ink cartridges. So just replace the color that's giving you a hard time, or make sure that you removed all the packaging off of the ink cartridge. So thank you guys for watching. Hopefully this was helpful for you. Have a wonderful day. Thank you.